I'm joined by Kirudi Lal Meena, Rajya Sabha MP of the BJP, PKD Nambiar, someone who supports the BJP, also joined by the Rajya Sabha MP of the NCP, Dr. Fawzia Tehseen Ahmed Khan. Yes, Mr. Nambiar.
Vishnu, such kind of words that too used in the parliament is definitely, it's an unpardonable, and it is not expected out of, forget about an MP from a minister, to no way. So I definitely, all the civilized people should condemn it. But Vishnu, look at the way both opposition and the treasury today is claiming that what they have done is very good. One is saying that we have allowed, the other one is saying we have not been allowed. But imagine 135 crore people have elected these people to go and create, debate, discuss and create laws for the welfare of the people using my money and your money, taxpayers' money. They have not only washed out the monsoon session, but the hope of the 135 crore people. They all are living in air-conditioned, cushioned bungalows. They are all living in they all get business class tickets and first class.
No, but what does that have to do with anything?
And servants. No, what I wanted to tell you is that they have the behavior of these MPs in the parliament. Is that they are called as the leaders? Do you think that is that the kind of?
But is there leadership associated, Mr. Nambiar, with not allowing the opposition to raise the issues that they want to? Is there?
Let me ask you this humble question, Vishnu, that even if at all, let us accept for a minute that the treasury bench has not even accepted it. Let's assume for a minute. The behavior of the people, the MPs who are supposed to be educated, representing the millions of people, are jumping on the table.
No, but it's an act of desperation because nobody is answering their questions. Nobody is taking it to select committee.
Tomorrow so Vishnu, I will give you a tight slap and I will say that it was out of desperation. Will it?
No, it doesn't. No, nothing justifies violence. But the central theme over here is that this is the government that doesn't allow the opposition to raise the issues that they want to and get an answer.
Vishnu,
Vishnu, nobody is justifying the violence. Nobody, sir, Mr. Nambiar. It's horrible.
Vishnu, one thing I'll tell you. We always claim every day in the morning to evening we are the largest parliament, world's largest democracy. Is that the temple of the parliament, temple of democracy is called as parliament? Is that what we are showing to the world?
But,
this is the way our parliament
that temple
functions.
Is meant to debate and discuss.
Number two, it cannot be either my way or a highway. You also have to understand. I wanted to ask.
But that's exactly what the opposition argues of the center.
My question to the honorable MP from the NCP, the one is that both farm laws and the Pegasus, both the issues are now lying in the Supreme Court. Why you have not even allowed in the first day of the parliament? Forget about it. I am talking about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Forget about it. Even for a day, from the first day, you came in the way that you will not allow the parliament to function unless you talk about these issues. Today, the 7 ministers have outlaid one by one the day or chronological
Mr. Nambiar,
events. That
if there are allegations of thousands of people in this country, being snooped upon by agencies, it's an invasion of privacy, it's an invasion of one's liberty, and they can't raise it and expect a direct answer.
Yeah, Vishnu, do you know that a few days ago to the Kapil Sibal, the Supreme Court said,
if it comes to the Supreme Court, doesn't mean it can't happen.
I'm just saying, what did he say? What did the Supreme Court say? Supreme Court said that if the matter is in front of us, don't go and don't do it in the public debate. I'm not saying that should not be debated in the parliament.
No, it's not a public debate if it's in parliament, sir. It's a different kind of debate.
No, I'm saying.
I mean, it's not a television. Parliament is not a television channel.
No, one thing only I am saying, Vishnu, if it is a Pegasus is not discussed, I'm not going to the merit of that importance. Does that mean that the entire monsoon session, because of either my way or a highway attitude,
you will not let that's a valid point.
That is not acceptable.
Dr. Fawzia, at the end of the day, should there not be an effort by the opposition to actually